Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a blessed day today. And here we are with another makeup tutorial. I love filming makeup tutorials for you guys, different ideas. And who knew about Wet n Wild and their Halloween collection? I didn't, not until I seen a special display at Walmart this week, and I picked up 3 of the palettes. There are 4, and this look is using the Boo Crew. The names are so awesome, you're gonna love it. And yes, it is a beautiful palette, and to get started we're going to prime our eyelids like always, and I have powder to catch fallout because there is fallout from this palette, and these shadows are powdery. And here's that palette, and it's so pretty. First up, we're picking up that nice matte teal shade from the eyeshadow palette. We're using a fluffy brush to pop that in the crease. We're going to use windshield wiper motions back and forth. We're just really working that into the crease area, messily might I add, and we kind of got to build this up. This shadow has nice pigmentation, but it takes some building up on the crease area, because the brush I'm using is not very dense either. So we're going to use this transition shade here, and it's a matte black. I don't know, maybe a defining shade actually. So we're going to use that in the outer corner. I would never use that as a transition, but it's a very nice matte black actually. What you see here is me applying it with a pencil brush that is kind of dense, and look at that, it builds up so nicely so quickly. I've never really complained about Wet n Wild blacks. I mean, they're pretty good, super pigmented, and that's going in the outer corner with that pencil brush there, kind of blending it inward on the lid as well. And I'm just taking this nice beautiful shimmery turquoise shade, and for whatever reason some of these eyeshadows in this palette was very quick to get that like hardness on them. And I'm using a brush, like not sticking my finger in them or anything like that, so it's not like from the oils from my fingers or anything like that. So I don't know, I was kind of disappointed in that fact. And all the shadows, most of them anyways, are very powdery, and there is a lot of fallout with this palette. I don't really care about that. Picking up that slighter, slightly brighter, but they do look similar in the pan turquoise shade. It's very shimmery, and I'm just applying that kind of like in the inner corner of the lid and a little on top of the other shade we applied on the lid. And I'm going to blend the teal and the black together in the crease, not too much because I don't want it to start getting muddy. We're going to pick up this L'Oreal Infallible eyeshadow in Endless Pearl. I don't know if these are still available, but they are bomb. They are so awesome. It's such a beautiful matte vanilla highlight. I love using this as a highlight shade. So pretty. And we're just going to blend down those teal edges, and then we're going to bring the fluffy brush back in with no additional color and blend the highlight with the teal crease color. Okay, and we are almost done with this look. We're going to take a smaller pencil brush with a dark blue in the palette, shimmery blue, and mix them with the matte teal. And it's going to make a very pretty, just dark kind of teal shade on the lower lash line. It takes some building up, and I'm going to wipe away my fallout, and I'm going to take the L Transformer, and I'm going to be taking a mixture of the duochrome blue, purpley shade, and the green, but more of the green duochrome, and I'm applying that in the inner corner up into the inner lid and blending all that together, and in the inner part of the lower lash line as well. Just blend all that in. And we're taking a Makeup Geek gel eyeliner in electric, and I was going to use a Urban Decay liner, but honestly, this is so much prettier than Flipside with this look, I believe, and it's just a nice sapphire-y kind of blue shade in the waterline. We're going to do a thin line of liquid liner with the Unshakeable liner, and we're going to tightline the upper waterline with the Jordana 12-hour pencil, and we're using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Curvitude Mascara to finally use it up. So I'm going to apply a couple coats of that, and here's our finished look. There's the eyes. They're done and done. Now I did choose a Cherry Cherie Nude liquid lipstick for this. In other pictures, I am using the Believe Beauty setting spray to make our makeup last all day, but in the other pictures, that's a Muse liquid lipstick. It is a nice matte teal, and I used some black lipstick to also give another picture of that some definition and do an ombre. So that's the look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, or look forward to more Wet n Wild Halloween kind of tutorials. Thank you always for watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell, and check the description box for product list. Thank you so much for watching, and I also hope you enjoyed the alternate lip looks as well. I thought they were fun. Stay tuned for more Wet n Wild tutorials.